Hey friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this video today I'm going to be walking with you guys on how to use like in MySQL statement. Like for instance, you want to pick data from the MySQL database, but you want to check, like for instance, select everything from the database where the name either begins with the letter S or begins with the letter O or ends with the letter P, something like that. How do you do that? Maybe the name contains OSP, contains David. How do you do that kind of query? We use something called like and use some patterns to come and generate that given stuff. We always use them whenever you want to create up a search engine like this search engine. We always use those kind of parameters to do and verify for us that. Like for instance, if you check here onto this data, if you go back down here, you just try to type something. You see, as I just type, I'm getting the data. If I want to say physics, if I want to say maybe 1, you just type 1. If I want to say physics, you just type physics. I think you can see it has selected only physics. But if I remove, you see, if I remove, the fields are going to change. Poop, it has changed. You get? So if I say maybe let me say A, maybe a level if we have it, I think you can see A level is getting up to that given field. A level, maybe let me say senior 6. I think you can see it only picks that given thing. Now let me just walk with you guys so that don't waste a lot of time. So I'm just going to go down here and say select. Maybe we're not going to select everything from our table from users. So we want to say select everything from our users. If I first say select everything from our users, what next are we looking to? We want to pick that again specified fields, those specified columns. So where maybe name starts with. So we use where statement. So I'm simply say from that one, where what? Where so we need to pick that given thing. So like we have to pick this. Remember we have our f name and error name. So I'll simply say where f name like what? You give 2 quotes there, end with the same column. But if you want to say I'm beginning with s %, so this what does this begin? Remember we have the other side the David and those stuffs. So you don't have anyone where f name begins with letter s. You get? But if I copy this query and just go back here into MySQL here and I paste it and I change here to S to O, and then I try to put semicolon and I run this query, we should find that for sure when the name begins with the O. How about if whereby when the name ends with the O, you just move this % in front, put O at the end. So this query will simply look onto where the name ends with O, which we don't have in the line 1 because it is OSP. How about if I say where the name maybe contains DV, you put % in front and % at the end. That's how they do it. So if you end that, we'll definitely get, we have David in between, Dev. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you love it. Wish you a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.